I'm going to start cutting logs here pretty quick, and it's right here actually next to my property. We're over here. These trees are getting cut, and into here is a bunch of trees that they want cut. So they already had a fella come and cut the brush. So yeah, guy cut the brush, but I'm going to be cutting some logs out of there. So that's good. Now, since we're here, we're going to walk this beach for a little ways and see what we can find. Last time I was here, I found a message in a bottle. So let's see. That's a bonfire waiting to happen there. Yeah, some good logs there. I'll make some stuff out of that, for sure. Okay, I found a couple things this summer that I didn't pick up. So anyways, piece of plywood, piece of pipe, some styrofoam, and another fish tub. Another fish tub. Okay, I didn't see it summer because the grass is really long. So now I'm going to go back. I think there's a piece of styrofoam over here that I'll take and walk home with. There I'll come and get, because like I said, I'm coming to get these trees here this week, I think. Oh. Oh yeah, one there, one here. Okay, I'll just take one so I can get my hands. I will size it, see how I can get in here. So I'm coming to get these trees first. These are first to go. Winter Wonderland. Wow. This is the kind of day you wish for December 25th, right? But all too often it's we don't get snow nowadays. But hey, this is great to see. We're probably a month away from Christmas right now. Anyways, great morning. Hey, check out my hat. Pat and Andrea Outdoors. Great people, great channel. Check them out. I love my hat. They were here this past summer, and check out the episode. Go back. I forget what number it is. I'll put it in here somewhere. What episode it is? You can go back in our folder and find out and check. We went fishing, so check that out. Anyways, we're here going to feed the bunnies here this morning. Now we have all the bunnies inside, none outside. So let's see what they're doing. Let's see if they're hungry. Oh, I think they're hungry. Yeah, I think they're all hungry. Oh, look at the buttons again on the floor. How we doing, people? Bunnies? Yeah? Hungry bunnies? Last year I had my logs going this way because the logs came before the mill, right? And I had to move every log onto the bed. So now I'm gonna put my bedding here, and of course my log bed, the little log bed I had made was low, and even the biggest log, which I probably won't get any like that this year, I was able to roll it up onto there no problem. So actually I did have a help on that big one, but no big deal. So now this one's another 8 inches higher or so. So now I just got to go from there over to there. So that's pretty close enough, right? And it's on a bit of a down sweep there. It's no big deal. Just some support in the middle. And one big problem I got no logs. So let's go get some. Yeah, right there. Those need to go first. I was told by the neighbor to get those first. I guess for an interview or whatever, but there's some good wood there. So let's go get it. Yeah. So that's a nice sized log. Pretty furry. Couple pieces there. You know, they're not the greatest logs, but hey, I'll take it. Nice and close. So yeah, easy to get. So anyway, that one there now. This one here I'm going to take first. Old 4910 was just sitting in the shed all summer. Just fired it up a few minutes ago. Perfect. Clean the air. I did clean the air filter. And that's it. Ready to go. I don't even know if the chain is sharp. I'm sure it's not bad. Good enough. I'm late in the day getting going here, so I'm just going to get these couple trees and then call it a day. Come back tomorrow, next day, whatever. Gone. Well, three tanks of gas for 4 trees. That's not very good. Not very good at all. These were really, really hairy trees. A lot of extra work. You know, it's not worth your while to be cutting this all the time, but hey, you gotta take the bad with the good, right? So back here, there's gonna be some better cutting, hopefully. Anyway, these things were all out by themselves, so yeah, they were just allowed, you know, just able to grow right out. So I got a couple logs there. They're gonna be hard to get at, and some big chunks of wood there too. So I got a chopping block there for our neighbor here, lady up the road. So she wanted a chopping block, so I got one there for her. and then a bunch of firewood. So yeah, anyways, gotta go get some gas. I'm not quite finished. I gotta make 2 more cuts, and then but I'm gonna try to get a couple logs here now to take home, get some gas, come back, and then clean it up. The first 5 logs, and they're terrible logs. I don't know. I mean, look at the difference in size there. Look at all the knots. Look at the curve in it. That's terrible. These 2 are probably the best ones there. This one here has got a great for making bow and arrows. Anyways, and that's, you know, whatever. So yeah, well, you know, I got some squares to saw, so it's good for that, right? Some squares to saw for different things. So yeah, never put to waste. I got a lot of firewood over there too, so I don't want any more firewood. So anyways, I'm gonna go back and get that now. So it's 8 o'clock at night. Just loaded it up. Good bed of coals there, and then we got 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, just one up top there. And we're gonna see what happens tomorrow morning. See how long this lasts. Okay, here it is, 6:30 in the morning, just after 6:30, just getting ready to go for a run. And I'm checking the wood stove, the rebuild wood stove. Remember, I just put wood in it last night. And let's see what we got. You're gonna see it first, the same as me. Okay, the glass is sooted up a little bit, but that's okay. Because it's always, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty darn good, guys. So 8 o'clock, 6:30, or was it 8:30? I can't remember. Anyways, 8 something. I think it was 8. And lots of fire still in there. It's still nice and warm here. So I'm gonna just throw in a couple more junks there now and keep her going all day. I don't know if you can see that. Glencore 2.1. I forgot the model of it. I think it's Glencore, yeah, 2.1. There's the name here too. Yeah. So 2011. So I haven't seen another one like this ever before. So I don't know, maybe something that Home Hardware sold or something. Anyway, built in Quebec. Pretty sure it came from the same factory as our new stove. So this one has a little bit of a shorter firebox than our one inside. But anyways, quite happy with that. No problem to get that thing to last all night. So it's a really good thing. Really good stove. Really good project for sure. I'm so glad that they left that here in the house when we bought the place. Anyways. Aha! Well, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Well, a little different today. What am I doing today? Well, I get this problem on my phone. I used to always have a radio, clock radio beside the bed, but I see the new iPhone's got the clock radio option, which I discovered by accident. So right now I'm just leaning it up against something and it tends to fall over and so on and charge. And also I got plugged in charge. So I got this mag charger and I was going to buy a stand for it. It was like 20 bucks for a piece of plastic. And I said, well, I can make that out of wood. So that's what I'm doing right now. Actually, I'm going to, I got that routed out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of silicone on the back of that, stick it in there. Bang, good. Then I'll make, I'll make a little stand for this piece of wood. I'll make it a little smaller, and bang, there's my charger. Anyways, that's what I'm up to, so I'll get this finished and show you the end result. Okay, here we go. There's my little stand. Here we go. So pretty simple. Oh, I haven't got this stuck on yet because I wanted to just show you. So just a piece of wood, routed out. I just got to put some silicone on that now, and then that'll be good to go for when I go to bed tonight. And there you go, laid it on my nightstand, and good to go. So that's an easy little project, guys. So yeah, there you go. Our alarm, not alarm clock, but a night clock, I guess, for your iPhone. I'm not sure if Android works like this or not. Anyway, for iPhone, this or a newer iPhone, this is a 15. It's a good little tool.